Here's one of the main reasons why I love life insurance. And here's why. Because with life insurance today, there's so much to offer. Pagdating sa life insurance, you can grow your savings actually. With life insurance, you also be able to protect your income kung saan tayo kumukuha ng for daily needs natin, from salary or your business income. But most of all, life insurance also offers preparation or peace of mind when it comes na magkakaroon tayo ng malubhang sakit or tinatawag na critical illness. Ito yung mga nagkaroon ng cancer, stroke, diabetes, and etc. Hi guys, by the way, I'm Joseph. I'm one of AIA Philippines licensed advisors. Please allow me to introduce our best-selling product when it comes to preparing ourselves in the event na magkaroon tayo ng critical illness. And with AI Critical Protect 100, you'll have a complete peace of mind. Alright, so pag-usapan natin yung mga benefits that comes with AIA Critical Protect 100 or ACP 100. Actually, ang dami po kasi talagang benefits ito, and this is why I always recommend to my clients to avail of this product. ACP 100 is a whole life insurance plan, meaning guaranteed po up until the age of 100 na makukuha natin yung mga benefits. And one of my favorite benefit that comes with ACP 100 is what we call maturity benefit. Ano po ba yung maturity benefit? Ito po yung reward na binibigay sa inyo ng company when you reach the age of 100 for staying healthy and active and living long. Ibibigay po sa inyo yung mga benefits na yon as a reward. Aside from that, you also have a guaranteed benefit na tinatawag na life insurance benefit. Ito naman po yung if something happens to you, all the proceeds will be given to your beneficiaries. Guaranteed din po yan. Another benefit that comes with ACP 100 is the critical illnesses benefit. Meron po tayong 100 types of illnesses na covered dito. And if you want to know more, I can show it to you during a one-on-one session via online on Zoom meeting. You can book a meeting with me for free, 10 to 15 minutes lamang po, to know more about these types of illnesses. And ito yung pinaka-main benefit when it comes to ACP 100, yung coverage mo for critical illnesses. Actually, ito yung pinaka-the best when it comes to critical illnesses plans in the market. Kasi covered ka for 100 different types. Another benefit po with ACP 100 is what we call the recovery benefit. So, upon diagnosis, nakuha mo na po yung benefit ng critical illness benefit, hindi po doon natatapos yung binibigay ng company, which is AIA Philippines. So, to help you recover, 10% of your face amount is ibibigay po sa iyo for the next 5 years to help you recover and think about getting better. So, that's also really good and it's a guaranteed benefit also. Aside from that, we also have the gender-specific rider benefit. So, there are different types of illnesses that belongs to the gender. Pag male po, yung prostate cancer. Pag female po, pag breast cancer. And if you're diagnosed of one of those gender-specific illnesses, right away, AAA will give you 50% more of your coverage. So, napakagandang benefit na naman. It's a guaranteed benefit also. So, let's look at an example para mas madali po natin itong maintindihan. For example, you got an ACP 100 AIA Critical Protect 100 with 1 million coverage benefit. So, na-diagnose po tayo ng major critical illnesses, one of the 100 types of it. Kung minor pa lang po ito, 25% of 1 million will be given to you in advance. So, 250,000. And the remaining meron pa po tayong 750 that will be given to you pagka naman na-diagnose ka ng major critical illness. Pero kung na-diagnose po tayo, for example, I'm a guy, diagnose po ko ng prostate cancer, 50% naman po madadagdag sa akin, which is 500,000. So, in total, meron na po kung 1.5 million na nakukuha. Pero it doesn't stop there. After I get diagnosed, I need to recover also. So, after 1 year, in the next 5 years, 10% of 1 million, which is 100,000, will be given to me for the next 5 years as a recovery benefit. So, napakaganda po talaga ng ACP 100, di ba? Ang daming benefits to help us get better in the event na magkaroon po tayo ng critical illness. But wait, there's more actually with this plan. ACP 100 actually comes with AIA Vitality Program. This is very unique to AIA, and this is a wellness program that helps everybody to live an active and healthy lifestyle. And with AIA Vitality po, ang nangyayari is meron na naman pong benefit na nadadagdag sa plan natin, which is it gives you an additional coverage right away. So first year pa lang with AIA Vitality, 20% more of your coverage will be given to you. Going back to the example, 1 million po yung coverage po natin. So 24% po of that is 200,000. On the first year pa lang, the total coverage po natin ay magiging 1.2 million. But with AI Vitality, it can go all the way up to 50% just by tracking your activities and hitting the different vitality status for free without having to pay an extra premium. So this is also another benefit that we can enjoy when it comes to ACP 100. And I'll be here as your advisor, also as your guide on how to take advantage of AIA Vitality when you have your ACP 100 plan with us. So ACP 100 is not only one of the best plans in the market, but is also coming from the best insurance company here in the Philippines, which is AIA Philippines po. You know, to show you some of the data, how strong and how dedicated AIA Philippines, we're actually the partner BPI when it comes to providing life insurance products here in the Philippines. And we know how strong of a company BPI is, and also part of Ayala Group. And to know more about our company and how our financial health is very strong, I'll be happy to share more about it on our one-on-one consultation. So I'd like to invite you to book a consultation with me via Zoom, or if you also want to have a face-to-face meeting, I'm also available in our Makati office that's near Ayala Avenue. So I hope that you learned something and you enjoyed this short video presentation talking about ACP 100. And I look forward in talking to you and help you get started in the near future. Please call me, please send me a message, connect with me, and together let's live a healthy life with a full peace of mind po. Thank you.